In this video, I'm going to show you how to post journal entries in Xero. Now, there's actually two ways to do this. The first one is if you're currently creating a new journal entry, so you want to go to the plus button top right, click on manual journal, you want to fill in all the details over here, and then click on the post button at the bottom, and that's all you have to do. However, if you have any drafts, so if you've saved them as draft, you want to go to accounting, then you want to go to manual journals. In here, you want to go to draft, and then here you can of course find your drafts. You can fix them in case they are missing some info, then click on a check mark next to them. So the ones that you want to post, click on post, and you have to confirm it with this OK button over here. Now, if there are any errors in there, it's going to basically tell you. So if I click on OK over here, as you can see, I have errors. It says they can't be posted due to being incomplete. So you basically have to open them, fix the errors, or of course, complete them if you haven't done that yet. And that's all you have to do. Then you can post them and you're good to go. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.